Hello, we are Claudia, Caterina, Joanne, Enara, and Karen, and we are going to show to you some mythology creatures of the Basque Country. Here you have some examples about the Basque mythology creatures. Abotokomari is the wife of Sugar and the main goddess of the Basque mythology. Sugar is the husband of Abotokomari and he looks like a snake.
Amarura. In the Basque mythology, Amarura is the goddess of the earth and the man of the sun and the moon.
Basajaun is the husband of Basandre. Like her wife, has fur around his body and lives in the forest.
Basandre is the wife of Basajaun and, like her husband, has a lot of fur around her body and lives in the forest.
The Lamia of the Sea. The Lamia of the Sea is a girl with a tail of fish that lives in the sea.
The Lamia of the Mountain. The Lamia of the Mountain is a girl with legs of gold that lives in the mountain.
The Lamia of the River. The Lamia of the River is a girl with foot of duck that live in the river. Olentzero is a gentil that brings presents to the children.
Maridomingi is the helper of Olentzero and helps to him to give the presents. Arritxo is a little creature that promotes the Basque.
Iratzak, they are little characters that live in the forest and at night they turn epic.
Galtzagorriak. The Galtzagorriak, they look like Iratzak, but they are good. Also, there are helpers of Olentzero.
Zorginak are magic and ugly characters of the Basque mythology.
Tarkalo is a creature with an eye and it looks like a thick lens.
Created using Powtoon.